Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today I got a hitter for you. We are going to see a rematch between one stock F30's TTRS versus Workhorse GTR. Now, you guys know I am a Nissan Infiniti enthusiast. I bang with my Infinitis. This is what my brand is about. But at the end of the day, this channel is called Boost in Motion. And I'm showing the reaction videos to what I can see that's going on in Mexico streets, if you know what I mean. So shout out to both of these cars. But this video has so much contention. But before I start dropping the video, before we start looking at the scenes and replays and everything like that, if you are watching this for the first time, please watch the video. And if you enjoy the video, watch some other videos and subscribe to the channel. I do make Infiniti Nissan content and also different parts you want to install your cars. And just furthermore, I'm just a car enthusiast just like you. So outside of that, guys, you know what to do. Let's drop that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So now that we're back, we are back, guys. So I'm gonna put a link above. Hopefully, I'll remember to do so. I'm gonna show the last race that they set up in Mexico with the GTR and the TTRS. But briefly, for the guys who don't want to watch it, just know that honestly, it really just didn't happen. It needed to have a rematch. No one got paid, and it is what it is. So they set up another run in Mexico a week later. So in this video, I'm going to show off some of the misconceptions what I can sit there and see, because at the end of the day, also is I got a bunch of DMs saying, "Oh, your car dead, TTRS dead," and I'm like, "What are y'all talking about? GTR dead?" So I scoured the internet, I found some video clips, so I really can't really shout some of you guys out, but we're gonna compile it, and honestly, let me just narrate it. So let's start off with race number one. Let's add this one to the stream. So that should be the end of the video. We shouldn't have to watch anything else more. TTRS took it. TTRS won. I mean, sorry. I saw completely something wrong there. This mess with you guys. GTR took this. GTR won. GTR better car. TTR is dead, right? This is what everyone's saying. This is what it's about. But here's the thing, right? Videos, a misconception of reality is so funny. So let's pay attention just a little bit more.
All right, I'm bringing him up. Let's go ahead. This flashlight gonna be right here.
Also, once again, shout out to One Stock F30 for his compilation of all the videos. So I'm gonna try my best to remember to put his link to his YouTube channel below. We'll definitely go support this other automotive enthusiast that does a lot of Mexico runs. Because at the end of the day, I got to shout out for people who's putting work in the streets. I ain't doing none of this stuff. I'm just with a guy with a mic and a video camera with two 500 wheel horsepower cars. So I'm slow. Anyways, he says this first race, they claim that they won. If you can't see the GTR left before I had to time the flashlights, then you need glasses. I should have got paid for this run, but I was good sport and said, let's rerun it and save the back and forth. So let's see if he's telling the God honest truth. Let's jump into it. Oof. Oof. So what did you guys see there? What did you guys see there? Did you guys see what I saw? Because I know that a lot of people don't like one stock, and some people think I'm choosing sides. And I told you I'm picking the side that has the best information to deliver whatever it is. I understand the stipulations, but honestly, dude didn't even flash yet. Come on, let's take a look at that one more time. He didn't even flash yet, guys. He didn't flash. Look. Light. That's the flashlight hitting his car. Wait. And that's the flash right now from the ttrs. So this one's already messed up. Video proved wrong. Boom. We throw this one out. They had to rerun this one. They had to rerun it. Right? Cool. So now that you guys know that, all the people who kept on saying TTRS done, stipulations, they had to rerun that one, full start, whatever. Let's go. Second race, race 2. Oof. Okay. 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 Boom. Boom. That's clear as day. That's clear as day, guys. That is clear as day. One stock F30, dead. Dead, as you guys keep saying, right? TTR is dead, right? Right? He's dead because he jumped, right? Because this is what the internet shows. You guys love seeing this. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, because you guys like to sit there and say, so well, let's watch a little bit more.
Why you put it right there? Hey, Will, that's a silly
Name this race, Boom. That's a jump. We all saw a jump. We all saw a jump. This is terrible.
Put it right there. That's a silly.
We all see the jump. TTR should pay, right? But what is double staging? What is that?
Why you pointing?
Let's see what that means. Take a better look.
That's a silly.
Oh, what the hell is that? What is that? Wait. Let's go back to that. Let's go back to that. Let's go back to that. Let's take it back. Let's take a look. Point. Usually after you point, are you ready? Flash. Point, are you ready? Flash. Then the next thing that's supposed to happen is the flashlight is supposed to turn on. Let's see if that happens for everyone who street races that knows what they're talking about. That's from the streets. I used to do this stuff when I was like 10, 15 years younger. But let's see. Let's take a look. Let's see. Or typical hand drop is it too. But let's go. Let's go. Wait, hold on. What was that? Did he point back at the GTR, or did he point back in the middle? He pointed back in the middle. I don't know if he pointed at the GTR, but it looked like he pointed at the middle and then turned the light on. TTR's jumped because he saw movement. He saw anything, so he let go of the launch control. But you know what I would say here? I would say, let me be fair. Y'all got an argument for that one, the second race. Because at the end of the day, it was a false start. I don't consider that a jump, but that's a false start because he saw movement. This is why when you at a racetrack, and I know everyone hates when I say this, the streets isn't the racetrack, but the racetrack has lights. If you go before the green, it's a red. You jumped. Here, are you ready? Are you ready? The next thing that's supposed to be is the flashlight. The flashlight is the green light. Any movement, anything from that person will throw you off. But at the end of the day, I'll give y'all that. What if he was supposed to pay half on that jump? What if? That could have been the end of everything, right? Damn, you jump, pay up, whatever the argument is. At the end of the day, you know what? Cool. Let's see what happened next. I guess they sat there and talked about it. Also, check out Tarak NYC or whoever else is going to cover this, because I want you guys to check other people's videos because they're probably going to have a lot more commentary on conversations and stipulations before the fact. So at the end of the day, I still don't know the stipulations. I'm just going on video and making a case. And some of you guys like that I made the case for TTRS. But I'm being fair. The second race, they could have argued that one. That was his own mistake. He might have had to pay up half up. But then in the day, most people would have been like, the people who would have lost bread on that would have been like, no, we want to rerun that. It threw him off. We want a clean run. So people who would have been losing money would have been arguing not only one stock F30, but everyone who would have lost bread on that one. Anyways, this is the third one they went after. There was no video. One stock said there's no video, but you know, Instagram got you covered. Oh! Third one. Shut down. It took off. This is what it is. Cop game. All right. Now, we're going to go to the final run because this is too much tries. You have anxiety. I have anxiety. You're tired of looking at me, talking and whatever. So, anyways, let's go into the final run. Let's go. Let's tap into it.
We're done. We're done. I'm not going to keep beating on Aaron's $250,000 fucking car.
Get in the car, Russ. Get in the car. Let's go.
Yo, oh my God.
Get in the car.
Yo, what's the breath?
Just seeing that GTR mess up like that. What did I tell you? Here's the thing, guys. From what Workhorse said, the car jumped right out of all-wheel drive mode and went into rear-wheel drive mode. This is probably a fail-safe on the GTR. And honestly, when I don't know how much power the car is making, but it popped out of it. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna say it's just like this. I'm gonna say it with all honesty. If you can't take full launch controls on a slightly prepped, cold asphalt street, I could just imagine this car on a drag strip with actual prep. It happened. The car messed up. It failed. And that's how the TTRS got out. But at the end of the day, what are you guys going to sit there and say? Wow, 3 tries and the fourth when you win, you just walk away from it as if you're the winner, right? Let's play a little bit more, and then I'm going to give you my final commentary.
What's going on? Did you not hear me? That's multiple cards. He was never catching me. Never.
Put that down.
That's multiple cards. He was never.
Okay, all right.
Ooh. That's my own commentary, guys. That's my own commentary. But anyways, let's remove that. What can we recap from here? From what I can read online, because you know the internet is fun, and one stock took away all the bread. I think that's the biggest problem that a lot of people have with it because he had 3 different tries, and on the fourth one, he went out. Technically, there was a technicality there that at least this is what Workhorse posted on their IG that if anyone breaks, you pay half. And somehow, some way, they're saying that one stock took the whole thing and didn't, and that's it. So technically, if that is the stipulations, if it is on video, yo, at the end of the day, that's wrong. If you guys stip that if one of you guys break and you gotta pay half and do walk away with all of it, damn, that's crazy. Like, I think I would have a problem with that. But I'm just some dude with a camera on YouTube just watching, you know. But at the end of the day, I wasn't there. I don't have any video of the stipulations, but the more evidence will come out and you guys will see what it is. But the car broke. GTR stayed in it. Couldn't reel him in because rear-wheel drive on those cars. That's it. Like, what do you expect you to do with 700, 800 wheel torques on cold asphalt, probably drag radials? Like, the car's still going to slip in rear-wheel drive mode no matter what. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, it sucks. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna get mad at Boost because like Boost, you still taking the TTRS side. He did 3 runs and the fourth one he running gonna take all the bread. I understand. Like, why would you be mad? If I put bread up for that and the technicality was, yo, he only paid half, like, yo, let him only pay half. But if that's not the case, if that wasn't stipulation, it was a fair run. And if it is what it is, it's only a fair run if they didn't stip it. Like, the car broke, this car broke. I think majority of people are just in emotions because the first race, okay, the second race with the flashlight incident, cool. I think that's an honest one. Well, the first one was with the flashlight that he never said he was ready. That's a clean and clear one. You did not get the right flag on that one. He didn't check and see if he was ready, so GTR got out on that one. Second one, yo, he was on launch control, and boom, he hit the light, but he moved his hand from here to here and then hit the light. That will throw off anybody. You guys don't know nothing about the anxiety. I said in the last video, most of you guys can't even hold your D hard enough with that much anxiety. So at the end of the day, anything a split of hair, you're going. And it's literally what it is. It's literally what it is. But I understand why you guys will argue the second race, because it's like, yo, you still went, you jumped, even if he was doing this or jumping his hand. It is what it is. But they went, Workhorse gave him the third run on that. Police came, shot up, shut it down. Mexico with federalized was not having it. Now the fourth run, they went at it, clean run, everything hit right with the flagger. GTR couldn't take it, and including the driver of the GTR sat there and said, "I'm not gonna keep beating on this $250,000 GTR." And I'm gonna sit there and say it on video because most of my fan base is Nissan Infiniti guys. Guess what happened? GTR dead. Y'all don't like it. GTR dead. Just imagine spending $250,000 on your GTR to have $100,000, including modifications, invested on a TTRS. And the TTRS could probably keep doing that, though, to keep back to back to back. He's not going full. That car still isn't full freaking send yet. So that car could probably keep doing that shit over and over and over. And the GTR couldn't just do 4 launch controls. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. As a Nissan Infiniti enthusiast, it's a good reason why I ain't get a GTR, though. But I like GTRs. I love them. But there's a reason why. I ain't got the type of money to get a GTR. Because, some people going to sit there and say I'm a broke boy. I can't afford it. It is what it is. I have 2 500 wheel horsepower cars. So it is what it is. So, guys, comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm just bugging. Tell me I'm not representing for my West Indian boys, because y'all might sit there and say I'm doing that. But that's not what it is. I saw something Thursday on video. Hopefully a lot of the videos will drop. I don't know when this video is dropping. I'm probably going to try to drop it with the TTRS video when One Stock F30 drops it, just to be fair so his content could get all the eyes and everything out there. And I'm going to give my own commentary on it. But if not, outside that, guys, we have good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time. Also, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel if it's the first time you're being here. Not all my videos are going to be reaction videos, too necessary, this stuff. But it is going to be still Nissan Infiniti related, putting parts and stuff on cars, dynos, and also, making my Q60, Infiniti Q60 a lot faster. I don't know about the C63 yet. I don't know what. That may not stay here for much more longer. But we'll sit there and see about that. But outside that, you already know what to do. Hit me up at all my social medias. You have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. You know what to do. I'm going to see you guys later. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.